Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is my lab assignment too. First, I would like to talk about the server-side script, which is PHP. So first, I would like to talk about the post product PHP. So the PHP first will check is it the server request post or not. If not, it will send the response status failed in the tunnel and then send the response. If it set post, so it will store the variable from post like product name, description, price, state until the image, and then create the SQL query and then store it in SQL variable and then query it to the connection if the connection is true. So the product ID is uh, product ID from the connection. And then we know that there is image here, but we want to decode it to text. And then the file name is product ID from this one. And then create the path this inside the htdocs. So inside assets, images, and then the file name and extension is png. And then move the file to path, the decoding text, the decoding strings. And then the image path is assets, images, file name, png. I would like to comment this. After this finish, the PHP will create a variable response that will store array status equals to success and data equals to null and then send the response. But if this not true, it will create the response status failed and data null and then send the response. And let's talk about the get product also. It seems like post product. So first we want to check whether the client post or not, the request server post or not. And then we store the user ID from the post and then create the SQL, which is select all from product table. And then the result is we query the SQL this to the connection. If result numbers more than zero means there is result. So the product variable product is array. While it's fetch associate the result, so it will store to the row and then we create another array variable and then create product array. The key is product ID, the value is row product ID. This is the value from database and this the variable that the place where we want to store the value. And then after all of this already stored, then we push to product product the key product the product array, all of this, and then create the response status equal to success, data equals to product, and then send the response same like previous. So this is the failed response, and then this is the function. Then let's talk about the application, the flutter. First, I would like to restart. So first of all, the Flutter will enter the splash screen, and in the splash screen, it will store the shared preference, and then in its state the user object. Because I already set the shared preference, it directly go to the home screen. So this is the home screen for the customer, but the server, but the backend haven't done yet. And then this is the post, and this is the seller tab. I'm sorry for this one. So seller can click this or click this button. it will return to the same page. So pick image. For example, you want to sell the television. Okay, segment television category electronics quantity. The price is just say 100 ringgit, and then location location UN state the description. Uh, Example, there are want to sell his TV, then post, and we can see later again. Continue the recording later because I have problem with my laptop. Lagi laptop ngehang. Kayak udah recording berapa menit. Dengar reset, dengar reset. Seems like um presentation. You can see the result here. Um, Loading. So this is the result. Just now we can see the result, and then the server directory you can see the photo. Go to drive C, then htdocs, our folder, set image. So the code is one, and see, sorry, the product ID is one also here. Let's try one more. Like image. Um, Sorry for lagging. We'll continue the video later.